and members of the Cabinet, Davao's Philippine Ambassador to Israel, Nathaniel Imperial, Davao City, Sarah Zimmerman Duterte. Mama, you have to forgive her. She might be attending to her daughter. Pakitawag yung our friends from the Philippine and Israel business community, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I have a guide of what to talk about. It's a good one, but may I just say first to the Israel people and the government, thank you for allowing us to visit in your place and to see more of, every dream of every Filipino, the middle class and those who can really afford. It's kind of a built-in urging inside to visit the Holy Land. That's why you see many Filipinos, including my wife, was here, but she's sick and she was here again twice to seek the solace and sanctity of the place. So I'd like to thank the President and the Prime Minister for giving us the invitation to visit you. No words are enough really to characterize our relations between Israel and the Philippines. So much goodness and goodwill have been passed around throughout the years, and we see that we have the best of relations between the two countries. There will never be time that the Philippines and Israel would have a conflict even in the space of hegemony of influence, geopolitics, simply because one is that we read the same Bible, we say the same prayer, and of course our shared values. So much has been said about me and now about the criminals and the drugs and the ISIS operating in my country. And of course, there's also the rampaging, murderous bandits that abound in Mindanao. I must have known that I'm a public, or I was a public prosecutor for 9 years. I was doing trial work in court. And as a matter of fact, my favorite book is, I don't know if it's being used here, it's Einstein, Goldstein rather. And he was one of those popular American Jew who wrote that book by Goldstein, called The Trial Technique. It's about court strategy and practice. I do not want you to feel that I am repeating a redundant statement. But you know, little as we are as a country, and however humble it may be, the Philippines, the Philippine Republic has stood by your side in your critical review. And in the same manner that you were around during the times of our despair and needs. Marawi was a shining example. I do not think that there is a secret there or that it should be hidden from the public. But I'd like to acknowledge, as I have acknowledged it everywhere, that the equipments that you lent us help the military of the Republic of the Philippines win the war against the ISIS in Marawi. As I have been telling before, in front, I do not want to offend my military men. But there's a quirk something. During my first days of my presidency, I called for a command conference. And everyone had his time. The Armed Forces of the Philippines, so he's a spokesman. Then the time for the police to render the report. And there was a summation of all the things that we had to do. But when my time came to speak, and I said, ladies and gentlemen, I do not mean to offend you, but you have failed to mention to me the dark clouds ahead. I see them looming in the horizon. And I said, good afternoon, Vice Mayor, your seat is here. So, may I introduce my daughter? She's a descendant of a Jew who were the ones who went to the Philippines to seek the sanctuary from the persecution in Europe. Her last name is, her mother's name is Elizabeth Zimmerman. So she is here. And she whispered to me, is it possible for me to acquire dual citizenship with Mr. I said, of course, maybe they would accommodate you, for indeed you are. So I said, there's a big dark clouds looming ahead. And he would ask me. It is a very interesting story. I know that you are here for the signing, but if you want to listen to me, this is how it worked. It played out. Indeed, I said, there is this group, Abu Sayyaf. They're a bunch of bandits who know nothing but to kill people even after the ransoms were paid. And they would decapitate people whom they capture in front of cameras. And I said, these are the people that the ISIS would go to and seek also the sanctuary. And be careful. For the first time I said, they will come. I was observing the movements of in this place, how they went ahead with Mosul,